Proper measurement and placement of functional shutters is a very important step to ensure a successful installation. Please take the time to measure your windows carefully so that you will be satisfied with the aesthetics and function of your shutters. First, determine if the shutters will close into the window opening or cover the window opening. Next, look for obstructions inside the window opening that might prevent the shutter from closing properly. Examples include storm window, exterior screen, old pieces of hardware that are still on the window. If you have an obstruction, you may need shutters that cover the window opening. For shutters that close into the window opening, we recommend a 1/4 inch gap all around. For example, the height of the shutter should be 1/2 inch shorter than the height of the window opening. For shutters that cover the window opening, we recommend at least a 1/2 inch overhang all around. For example, the height of the shutter should be 1 inch taller than the height of the window opening. Finally, the gap between a pair of closed shutters should be 1/4 inch. These tips and recommendations should ensure that your shutters are aesthetically and functionally accurate. Visit our website, jwright.com, for more information and to find a large selection of shutter hardware.